Maybe you about the stickers. Maybe yeah, stocks. Maybe we should have innovative designs like this about graphic designs. So people would be more enthusiastic.
To be more interested.
And the envelope, maybe we can make designs, different designs, and then
But it's not if we some designs stuff and
I mean the
Elegant designs.
yeah, like in Mapua Rainbow, the gradient color.
Depends on the themes.
probably others.
Like Globe Tattoo, right? They have stickers on the SIM card, designs on the SIM card. So teenagers are more interested.
The services. Services should be. The employees should be more
Enthusiastic about
enthusiastic. Efficient service. For example, the meal you sent earlier. Same brand. Commercialize our great
communication stuff.
What kind of
Manigram.
For example, like the Shopwise, when they buy foods and drinks to their house and they have coupons and they can go to pantry, raffle draw,
Discounts.
membership. Yeah, membership.
Usually, banks are using this one, the letter one, fancy. So, how can we innovate so when others can use letters, not how can we innovate?
First is to advertise, more branches. The stamps should be postcards. The stamps, the postcards should be attractive for the artwork. But should be elegant also. The design depends on the themes. And then the services, more
The letterman probably
yeah.
must be Enthusiastic.
more efficient, more, for example, if they send their letters tomorrow, more commercialized. Maybe we should have a branch on malls, for example, SM Trinoma.
Not the stall ones.
More accommodating.
Easy access.
Easy access. So commercialized this year.
How can we use the easy access? Mall.
For example, the post office should not be on the other side of the discount. Membership is a good idea because
They have privileges.
there will be a reason that
Like the Shopwise card, they have points.
they have services to come
So the points they can use it another time, another transaction.
the advertisement should be the theme of our advertisements is to give is to show to the people how important is our company. For example, we will say to them that
Over the 30 years,
over the 30 years, for example, the Friendster, their files there got deleted.
What files?
Kasi for example, for example, in an email, if they forgot the password, and then what will happen to them? Or for example, in an email, they have
Like in PLDT, they have the letter, but also they have accounts in a private PLDT website. Private PLDT website. PLDT website. Like postal service. They also have accounts in the internet, so they can visit there even if they lost the letter.
They have a
Account, yeah, copy in the website of the postal service.
we should also have some we should also upgrade our services. For example, the person or our client would track his or her emails by in internet because for example they will ask him where is their email. So we in an internet they can track their
Yeah, that's
internet
But here, the priority is still the letter. Just this is just like a storage something, storage data. They want to know how much money they have already spent, expenses. Every year, this number of points.
maliwag bagay of typical ordinary. Can we say that postal sending is very important? For example, some are unreliable because technology can break.
So we must cancel out this because we are showcasing our
This is just a service. This is just a service for tracking parts and records.
Like
not
inventory.
For easy access, not for sending their emails. Yes, technology will just serve as our services, but not the medium of sending their. Ganito po namin ibabasa.
Pause.